Welcome back everybody to Summon Night Swordcraft Story 1. Last time we did a lot like fighting the twins, then winning it, then bonding with Master Sakuro, with the Craft Lord Sakuro, then meeting an mysterious old man accompanied with his father 3 years ago while he died. Then a mysterious girl who is involved, I think, with his father. Then she get the sword of his father. Then the girl was kinda very mysterious, like is doing something evil plot. She's scheming something that will destroy the whole world. So for now she is part of the semi-final rounds of the tournament, and then fight getting Dragon Orphan for the old man, and then third, progress the game. Without further ado everybody, let's start playing it. Okay, let's head to the Silver Guild. Okay, wait, where's the old man? Okay, 4 people. Starter, Heatsink, Cooling Fan, Archbolt, Contactor Rod, Honey Hook, Big 4 Ball, Broken Fan, Small Ball. Wait, I will borrow the phone of my I will borrow the phone. Let's start the game again. Okay, wait everybody. I'm gonna read some FAQs. House though. Nothing here. Okay. Okay. Ow! Still on the higher ground of the Wisteria. Okay, let's do it. Oh, nope, stupid. Okay, southwards. Okay. Okay, I skipped the dialogue, sorry. The soldiers from some other counter, aren't they? Master Sakura? Soldiers from Daigleia. What would a militant nation want with the City of Swords? Hey, you know what you have? Quiet down. Master Rondo. Oh, Sakura. Master Rondo. He seems to be a higher master than Master Sakura, so what does that mean? What's all this noise? I have no idea. The only thing I know is that they're insolent fellows. I want to go back. I want to go back to bed. Is that okay with you? Not a problem. Oh, I can't believe it, but perhaps Master Rondo is... Did you not recognize who he is, Patty? No, he is the headmaster of the craft lords, the idol of all craft knights, and his weapons shine like no other in the universe. He is Master Rondo, the craft lord of Diamond. I can't believe it that you didn't realize it, but I never had the chance to see him up close. Hey, you don't ignore us, he said. Old man, give us your sword now. I don't know what you're talking about. If you want to pick a fight, that girl and her friend will take up your challenge. What? Wait up. Puti! Huh? Is this kid going to fight us? Come on. Oh, okay, come on. Oh no, what am I saying? The words just escaped my lips by accident. Puti! You will show you the fighting skills of the Glean soldiers. Okay. Oh, shush. Okay, let's kill him. This guy. Okay. You will pace through. I thought you are a great soldier, but you cannot move in your position. There you go. We won. Easily. Nice. And for the reward, attack please. Defense. We managed to win. Where are the rest of them? Don't worry, Master Rondo and I got rid of them. Great job, Patty. That was quite a performance. Okay, thank you. Oh, thanks. they're really strong and tough. Despite all this fighting, they have it broken as well. I mustn't forget Puti, of course. Thank you. Puti! This friendly old man is the head of the... is the head of... Craft Lords. Sorry, excuse me. He ranks way above us, Craft Knights. Yet, he's just an ordinary old man when he talks to me. Oh, I brought the ore that you asked me to get you. Oh, thank you very much. By the way, where did you get that sword? A woman gave it to me. A woman? I got it. Master Rando, it must be. Yes, it must have some connection. You'd better ask Boron about that sword and get his advice. It must be an important item, so watch out. Do not lose sight of it. Yes, sir. By the way, Sakura, you came here to tell me something, didn't you? Yes, we lost contact with our investigators 5 days ago. Is that right? My retirement seems to be over now. I was really enjoying it, but you must return to work as a craft lord. Surrender is very reluctant. Prati, I'm afraid I can't tell you about Shintetsu anymore today. I believe we'll have another chance to talk about him later on. Please say hello to Amaris and Ron. Yes, sir. It's too bad, but I understand. As for the tournament, I have faith that you'll have a fine showing and become a craft lord. Good luck. Oh, yes, thank you. Okay. Prati! Hey, what's going on? Huh? Is the fighting over already? Oh, Master, what were you expecting? I just thought I could beat some bastards up to work some affairs. I think my mother is into roughnecks who only want to join someone else, right? Oh, I want to stop them. I wasn't doing it because I like it, honest. Anyway, Prati, what's that sword? A woman gave it to me. Master Rondo said that I'd better ask you for some advice. Hey, Kuti, I'll keep the sword here with me. What? Why? Is that okay, Bran? Oh, yeah, sure, no problem. Let's go. Please, go right ahead. I sure, Master. I already said yes. Why don't you give that sword to Amaris now? Yes, sir. Oof. What's wrong? Nothing. I just remember the old times. It's been 3 years already. Does mother also know something? Never mind that. I cook some food for you. Have dinner with me today and then go back to your workshop. Wow, thanks. Oh man, I'm so drowsy. I'm so sleepy. I'm sorry everybody. Can't speak very well. But hey, by the way, yesterday morning, I got my tooth removed because it's too soft now. So I am happy and it's not very painful, to be honest. Like after after the tooth removed, I always speak. Like I speak immediately. Like some people normally was not, cannot speak in a day, then tomorrow they can speak. But mine, I can at least. Thank God on that. Oh man, I was like, then my little sibling saying that you're in a different breed, big brother. Well, thank you for that. On that time, I was like, ish. You want to eat as well, Master? No thanks. I'm going to make myself scars today. Relax and enjoy myself. It'll be a family gathering that was a long time putang ina. Oh. Alright. Oh dear Lord. He's acting differently than usual. Okay. Wait, really? Okay. I will end it preemptively because I need to sleep. Okay? Everybody, I hope you understand, so I'm sorry. That was a very good meal. Did you like it, Kuti? Kuti! I'm so full today. It was a busy day. Master Rondu, despite being the highest ranked craft lord, is a very friendly person. Visitor will be okay as long as he's staying here. He was father's friend, so does that mean he's my master's friend as well? It's a bit hard to imagine that. Okay, I'm going to ask someone. Sakura. I'm going to the central tower. It's you. Entering the tower outside hours prohibited. I'll let you in. I'm sorry. You don't have to say you're sorry. I said I'd let you in. All things aside, I owe you an apology for what happened today. I'm sorry, I set you on the Dailian soldiers. I got a little carried away, that's all. I didn't mind too much about that. I was just impressed how strong craft lords are. Are you talking about Master Rondu and me? Yes. You'll never know how strong we are just from what happened today. We don't even have to warm up to fight opponents like them, even if there were more of them. Master Rondu could obviously handle them by himself. It means that I poke my nose into his business. Excuse me. Wow, unbelievable. Even if 10 times more opponents had shown up today, they'd still have won. Actually, it's not a problem if we fight against humans if they show up in 2-digit numbers. Nevertheless, if we fight against an entire country, that's a different story. The Daigilian soldiers that we met today illegally crossed the border, challenged craft lords. This is an undeniable declaration of wars. What should we do about it? I don't know much about politics. Oh, come on. If you are to become a craft lord, you must learn to solve these kinds of problems. It's a great responsibility, definitely, but it is worth doing. Win the tournament and become a craft lord. Master Rondu is also waiting for you. Yes, sir. Okay. Big sis! What happened, Razi? You look shocked. You look so shocked. Big news, big sis. Varil found somebody wash up at the docks. Meet me there, big sis. I'm going back to help. See you soon. Oh, he's gone. Let's get to the port, Kuti. Kuti. Okay, this is the end of the video for now. I know a little shorter, but I am sorry, everybody. But this is I'm very sleepy right now. I hope I can continue. But I will continue recording again in late nights, I think. Yeah. So I need to drink some medicine as well because of my tooth. I need to heal it. And yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day ahead, everyone, and God bless. Gloria Republica.